I have recently changed the steering wheel for my BMW F10, and this is my almost 30-day review of the new thing that is fitted now on my vehicle. This custom built flat bottom leather and paddle shifter steering wheel. The first question that many people I've seen are asking in the comments is everything sourced from AliExpress or from Alibaba? Yes, the steering wheel and the airbag are sourced from AliExpress. Now, I do not know with certainty what is the origin and the quality of the airbag, but for the time being, I do not see any clear evidence that the quality of the airbag is questionable. The only thing that is questionable is the overall price, because if we just assess the price, you wouldn't believe that this is a genuine part, especially because an airbag sourced from a reputable place, which is a BMW dealer in the UK, is close to £850. The overall price of the steering wheel being somewhere in the £200 range delivered to your address. So take that information and do with it what you want. Some people might want to get the steering wheel and after that buy a genuine airbag if that is the case. Also, as an option, especially for the people that have already the steering wheel with this nice little airbag, you could buy an even cheaper steering wheel that will have the shape without the airbag, and you're able to get an even better deal like that. 30 days of using the steering wheel. What are my observations? From a quality point of view, my level of assessment of a product is far higher than normal people, so take it with a pinch of salt. What I've noticed with this airbag, if you pay extreme attention to detail, you will notice that the trim on the middle bit has a little bit of overspray. The paint is not perfect. One observation. Second observation, the leather in this point and another point over here is not tucked in very tight, congruent with the rest of the things, but I've noticed that the more I'm using it, it softens up and it is becoming comfortable. And another observation, like going really crazy, if you're feeling the bottom bit, this side is perfect. This little side has something that is a little bit catching. I would believe that if you start filing it down, you might get it to be even better. Let's see if we're able to show it on this little camera. So this side touches a little bit. Besides that, clicking of the buttons, spot on. The functionality of the buttons is there. M2 and M1 and M2 are not available on the vehicle. You need to install a special adapter emulator to activate the same thing that you're able to activate with these switches, but you don't really need it. What was interesting for me was the activation of the paddle shifters. In the beginning, it was something that I didn't really care that much about. As I started using them, I quite enjoyed it. It's not a plug-and-play thing in the sense that you plug it in, but you still need additional coding to get the things to work as they should. So you don't need to add wires, but they need to be coded. And besides that, surprisingly well engineered, well built, especially thinking into account the overall price of this steering wheel. I know that in the past I've been quite conservative with regards to changing the steering wheel, especially due to possible quality issues or non-genuine airbags. After having this steering wheel on the vehicle and enjoying life with this type of mod, I'm not going back. I reached the point where I've ordered another steering wheel. The next one that is going to come is a forged with some blue speckles, blue stuff inside of it, which looks really nice. So I'm becoming like a steering wheel snob, but everybody with their passions. So overall, the quality and the feel of this one convinced me to keep it. And also there is a strange thing that is happening. For those of you that have experienced a new vehicle, the thing that gives you a very new vehicle feel is the steering wheel. As the steering wheel gets older, it gets greasier, it gets more shiny. This one has a really nice matte feel to it, and it has a new car feel to it. So changing the steering wheel will give you that new car feel to it. What are other things that you might want to know? The install is quite easy. Remove the previous airbag, one 16mm bolt, and it's easy to be done. I have a video that shows step by step how I've done this, so maybe you want to see that one somewhere on the channel. Feeling quite improved, and I'm a big fan nowadays of this flat bottom steering wheel. I was in the beginning debating if I would go for a really original look, and I believe that just having the flat bottom, it's a OEM plus type of upgrade. It's not one of those mods or upgrades that will make this car never to be sold again. It doesn't destroy the design of the vehicle, but realistically that is something very subjective, so I might be wrong on that one. My overall assessment is that it integrates quite well with the vehicle and can be considered as a factory finish, factory fitted part. The next steering wheel that I'm going to receive for sure is not a OEM plus type of design, because it's visible that something is changed with that one. A safe upgrade. I used it and abused it, and nothing started to rip, nothing started to show signs of use. I hope that this video was useful. These were my observations with regards to this little steering wheel. Everything works. I've also noticed that this is a particular thing. When you are using for the first time these rubber switches, they feel a little bit nasty. You see that they integrate. But as you are using them more and more, you will notice that the rubber starts to become more natural feeling. Just use them and they will feel quite okay. Overall, if I wouldn't know that this steering wheel has been changed, I would really be tempted of thinking that it's a BMW genuine part. Additional content on the channel with regards to BMWs and other things that we are upgrading. Should you want some work carried on to your vehicle, we are in Swindon, UK, somewhere in the middle of England. Feel free to get in touch and book an appointment, book some work, because we really have some interesting upgrades for you guys. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'm going to see you in the next one.